Now we make a little demonstration of how the wearable connects to our app. You can just open the app, tap on the Anti-Snore Wearable menu, and now we can see that no wearable is connected yet. We turn our wearable on by pressing the button for at least 5 seconds. We will see the LED on the wearable turning on, and now we are connected. You can test the vibration. It will vibrate for 2 seconds, then an interval of 1 second, in total 3 times. We can change the vibration patterns. For instance, we can make the wearable vibrate for 1 second with the interval of half a second, 4 or 5 times. And then we can also turn off the wearable.
Thanks for the demonstration.
Welcome.